I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your plan with Bell Mobility can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bell Mobility website and log into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to your current plan details. Step 2. Navigate to plan options. Once logged in, go to the plans section of your account. Here, you can view your current plan and available options for changes. Step 3. Select a new plan. Browse through the available plans and select the one that best fits your needs. Make sure to review the features and costs associated with each option. Step 4. Review changes. After selecting a new plan, review the changes carefully. Check for any additional fees or changes to your contract terms. Sometimes a plan may have a one-time activation fee. Step 5. Confirm and save. Once you are satisfied with your selection, confirm the changes and save your new plan. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Bell's customer support for assistance. Happy planning!